Hello, in front of me I've got Grounded 2. In this video I'll show you how to use Resource Analyzer. In the beginning, make sure you've got your inventory opened, and right here we've got some ingredients. You can gather ingredients by chopping them or picking them up from the ground. Next, you have to find this resource analyzer, approach it, select the ingredient, and select Analyze. As you can see, the analyzer has 4 charges. Thanks to Analyzer, you learn new recipes. Also, thanks to the Analyzer, you can unlock brain power. Increasing brain power to higher levels unlock new crafting recipes and blueprints. Let's, for example, analyze this one. And thanks to analyzing, we've got raw science points. Increase your brain level to unlock brain powers. Each analyzer recharges after few minutes or more. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.